The topic of today's video is how to fix fail to load online onlinefix64.dll error code 126. That is an absolute mouthful. Highly likely what happened here is your antivirus basically just stole it. You should always switch your antivirus off when you are doing exactly what I know you're doing. So first thing that we want to do is go to Windows Defender, and then you're going to see this little shield icon and you just want to click on that. Mine has the X because I've switched it off. So what you want to do here is, if you haven't turned this off, turn it off and then go to Virus and Threat Protection. From there, we want to go to Protection History, and let's pick this file that I installed for this video, and we want to just click on the down arrow, and here you can see Windows Defender swallowed one of our files. So all we need to do is go click on Actions here and say Restore. And now our file will be restored to its rightful place, and Windows Defender will keep its grubby hands off of it. Thank you so much for watching. Do consider liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.